The Investigator homepage is our starting point. Its menu shows you all your previous investigations, their owners, as well as whether they are active or archived. Investigations can be renamed or archived by selecting this option. There are two ways to start a new investigation. First, select the assets you wish to carry out the investigation in. We recommend always using holistic, as this covers all assets simultaneously by default in one graph. Click New Investigation. A timestamped title will be assigned and a new name can be chosen at a later point. You are now looking at a blank investigation canvas. To begin to add information to the graph, type in either the name of the entity, the transaction hash, or the wallet ID that you wish to view. Please note that if typing in a wallet address or an entity name, this could be a single address or a cluster. Click to add the wallet or the cluster, in this case the Binance cluster, to the graph. The dot that you can now see refers to the graph or the cluster. For the purpose of these videos, we will generally refer to them as nodes. The side panel allows you to see information about the node, discovering its connections, transactions, and any associated risk. This can be resized at any moment by clicking and dragging the side of the box. Remove it by clicking anywhere on the graph. You can reopen it by clicking on the wallet that you wish to query. Multiple addresses can be added in one go. This can be useful if you are working with a CSV of addresses. Simply copy and paste them into the search bar and then select the ones that you wish to add. They can be added individually, or they can be added to the graph as a group, which will cluster them together as one node. In this case, we're going to add them individually. If any of the newly added addresses have pre-existing connections with some of the already plotted nodes on the graph, these will automatically be shown at this point. These lines represent the transactions connecting the nodes. For the purpose of these videos, we will refer to these lines as edges. You can click on them to see the transaction history of the edge in question. The graph can be duplicated, shared, or exported at any given moment by using this option up here. There is another way to create investigations, and that is from the Triggered Rules tab of any Lens or Navigator risk graph. If you want to do so, simply go to the relevant wallet screening or transaction screening within Lens or Navigator, go to the risk graph in question and select Open in Investigator. This will then automatically take you to Investigator and will pre-make the graph, which at least initially will be in view only mode, but you can click in and review some of the information already present within it. To make this editable, select this option here to create a duplicate investigation. This will then recreate your graph, only now you can add more information to it and begin to edit it.